The iron soldering robot, J-CAT LYRA. ARC 5000, programmable angle adjustment of the iron tip in the range of -30 to +25 degrees. It's an optional. The iron tip angle approach function ensures that the iron tip will not contact the top of wire or pin being soldered. The iron temperature can be programmed for each individual soldering point. This robot can be equipped with dual iron units and solder feeders to optimize cycle time. The multilingual teaching pendant and easy-to-set soldering conditions. Wide selection of iron tip cartridges, 130 and 200 watt heaters available. The iron tip cartridge can be changed in 8 seconds or less without any tool.